So Billy Delgado decided to take the stand yesterday in his own defense to explain why he did what he did to his now ex-wife. Now, I want you guys to remember or note that the pew-pewing was all caught on video camera. So there is no argument as to who did the pew-pewing. The argument is why Delgado decided he needed to pew-pew at his wife over 12 times. Y'all listen to his testimony.
What do you have in your mind going into this?
Well, after I told her that and she hung up the phone, I guess she wasn't too far, and I snapped. That's when I completely lost. I figured I lost my temper. I blacked out, and I unloaded my weapon on Miss Torrance.
So ladies and gentlemen, you just heard Mr. Delgado confess to the crime. Now, the reason he's saying he did this act was because his 5-year-old daughter allegedly stated that she was SA'd by her uncle. There was no evidence of that. The defense nor the state called the uncle or the child, but the child did have a forensic interview. Now, you just heard a confession. Guilty or not guilty. Listen for some more.
When I ask you, somebody already threw a weight at your head, and somebody already assaulted you. I mean, why'd you stay with her after those 2 times?
I mean, for the most part, as a man, you're raised to to deal with those kind of things,
Okay.
and just be a man about it. So I decided to be a man about it and be there for my family, what I had at the time.
Listen, I'm not saying he was abused, but let's be clear. This abuse didn't happen the morning of the the act, him pew-pewing at his ex-wife. That was previous. We're talking about the morning of, but this is a defense attorney trying to muddy the waters, okay? The defense attorney is doing his job, but the client is guilty, okay?
But it happened.
Go ahead.
But it happened, sir. And I mean, I felt like I was left with no choice.
Was that your way in protecting your daughter?
Yes.
Okay.
And here we have it, folks. Another confession in his testimony. And again, he's saying the reason he did it was because he was protecting his daughter from the abuse she was suffering from the mom and the uncle. You be the judge. From the best dressed public defender that you know.